Hello friends, today we are going to learn in set chapter. The topic is complement of a set. What is mean by complement of a set? Let suppose U be a universal set, and if A is a subset of U, if A is a subset of U, then the set of all elements in U which are not in A, okay, is called complement of A. What is definition says? If A is a subset of U, universal set is a bigger set, and if A is a subset of U, then set of all elements which are in U but not in A, that is called the complement of a set. म्हणजे अशा सर्व घटकांचा संच आहे की जे घटक हे यू मध्ये असणार आहेत परंतु ए मध्ये नसलेले. म्हणजेच काय, तर ए मध्ये नसलेले सर्व घटक की जे यू मध्ये आहेत अशा सर्व घटकांचा संच म्हणजेच काय आहे तर त्याचा कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ अ सेट. कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ अ सेट इज डिनोटेड बाय ए डॅश ऑर ए रेस टू सी. कॉम्प्लिमेंटचं सी असंही घेतलं जातं, एच्या डोक्यावर सी किंवा ए डॅशने काय केलं जातं, कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ अ सेट हा डिनोट केला जातो. तर जनरली सेट बिल्डर फॉर्ममध्ये या कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ अ सेटची डेफिनेशन कशी लिहिली जाते बघा. ए डॅश इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दॅट एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू यू अँड एक्स डज नॉट बिलॉंग्स टू ए. यूमध्ये असलेले पाहिजेत घटक ते सर्व एलिमेंट्स आणि एमध्ये नसले पाहिजेत. ए डॅश इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दॅट एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू यू अँड एक्स डज नॉट बिलॉंग्स टू ए. नाव वी सी द एक्झाम्पल. फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू डिफाईन the universal set. Suppose U is the set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, 1 to 7 elements are there in U. Now we define the set A. Suppose in set A there are elements 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, 4 elements. Then we have to find out the complement of A. Okay, which elements are in complement of A? The elements which are in U but not in A. नॉट इन ए म्हणजे ए मध्ये नसलेले परंतु यू मध्ये असलेले असे कोणते एलिमेंट्स आहेत तर 2, 4 and 6. ओके, देअरफॉर इन कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ ए देर आर एलिमेंट्स 2, 4 and 6. Okay, now this will represent by Venn diagram also. We know that universal set is denoted by a rectangle. Okay, now this is a rectangle. We name that rectangle, that is Venn diagram is U. Which are the elements in U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in that A is 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, therefore if we denote the circle by A, okay, this is the A set. Which elements are in A? That is 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, and which elements are remaining in universal set? 1, 3, 5, 7 except elements are 2, 4 and 6. Okay, this whole is U. This is only A, and what is this? This is a A dash. Okay, this is the way we denote the complement of a set by Venn diagram. Okay, now we study one statement. The complement of a complement of a set is the given set itself. That means if we once find out the complement of a set, then again find out its complement, then what we get? Now we see. Suppose A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. A dash is equals to 2, 4, 6. Now we take again complement of this set. That means the complement of A dash. What our definition says? Complement of any set, that means the elements which are in U but not in A dash. Okay. But in A dash there are elements 2, 4 and 6. And except 2, 4, 6, which elements are in U? That is 1, 3, 5 and 7. That is 1, 3, 5 and 7. Then what we get here in right side? 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. This is the set A. Okay. This is the set A. That means the complement of a complement is the given set itself. Okay. The complement of a complement is the given set itself. Okay. In this way, today we see the complement of a set, the definition and notation of a complement of a set. Then we denote the complement of a set by Venn diagram, and one statement also we studied here. The complement of a complement is the given set itself. Okay. Thank you.